Well, today this is salad and the place is well painted. And let's see what it... Hi boys, hi, how are you? Don't dirty the place. We made you a nice home. Come, have lunch, come. Then I can take film. Come, run for your life. Run. Eat it. Oh, la. Yeah. And this is our little door to protect. Okay, we need to paint the door. Let's see. Wow. Okay, there we go. Now we continue. The mesh is there. It's all safe and sound. Enjoy. Now you're protected from the cats. Okay, so clean and cool. Love it.